In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your screen on your TV or monitor is flickering while trying to play on your PS5. So the first thing you want to do is go to Settings in the top right corner, then scroll down and we're going to select Screen and Video. Now we're going to go to Video Output and scroll down in this section, and if you're playing on a TV or monitor that supports 4K, try reducing the video transfer rate to -1 or -2 and see if it fixes the screen flickering. Now, if that doesn't fix the problem, we're going to scroll up, and where you see resolution, if you are playing on a TV or monitor that supports 4K, and you've moved your PS5 to a TV or monitor that doesn't support 4K, or this could apply for any resolution, try changing this to automatic to see if it fixes your issue. Now, if that doesn't work either, another reason your screen could be flickering, if you scroll up to System and then go to HDMI, and you're trying to record your screen with Enable HDCP turned on, that could be causing the screen flickering as well. So make sure this is turned off if you're trying to record your screen. And some other things you could do would include pressing the PlayStation button on your controller and powering off your console fully. Then unplug the power from your console for 30 to 60 seconds, plug it back in, boot up your console, and see if the screen's flickering. You could also try changing out the HDMI cable because that could be causing the problem. You could also try changing the HDMI port where your HDMI cable is plugged into on your TV or monitor. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.